Good morning, Internet. I know I said I wasn't going to vlog today, but I just couldn't resist. Not to mention we're doing stuff today. So today, my mom wants to go bird watching, and we are possibly going to hit Fort Matanzas after that. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. So we are at Fort Matanzas right now, but we are not going to the fort today because it's a little too crowded. Instead, we're just going to walk along the nature trail and see if we can find any birds.
Might have been what we saw. Was that spoonbill? Do you thought like nightmares about that? But if you come back here at night, you get eaten up by bugs.
Yeah.
You know that?
There's a giant spider.
Right there. Oh, I see it now.
Come over here.
Yeah, I see it.
When you look at the V, you can see it laying across where there's a test.
Yeah.
Now the fruit boy.
And there it goes. So we didn't really have any luck the first time.
If it says
But-
it, it's most likely no other
I'm
person.
not gonna give up just yet. We're probably gonna go back to the condo first for a few minutes, and then we're gonna head back out.
That's our most distinguished.
So we're on our way back down to, we're going to
Applebee's.
the water to the sea, not Applebee's. We're going to the water of the sea, to the sea, from the ocean. What rivers to the sea? Shit's hard to say. And we are going
From
to.
the apple to the bees.
We're not. We're not going to Applebee's. Oh, but I had one right here. That one was yours. All right. So yeah, we're going from the to the river to the sea sanctuary or something like that. See if we can find some birds. Or river to the sea preserve. Oh, it's right there. This is a cell phone tower. Very tall. So this is gonna be another hiking trail. We may see some alligators here that are around the bodies of water, and we're not allowed to feed them. So yeah, you don't want to feed any alligators around here. There's a body of water right there. Maybe there's an alligator in there. Who knows?
There's Pockaloogie in there, and they all attacked it and ate it.
There's a bunch of fish in there.
Turtle.
Oh, Lori,
Yeah.
Oh, look, a turtle.
over in the tree.
Oh, there's like 3 turtles over there.
There's a big turtle.
That's 2.
Yeah, and then
2
there's
big
one
turtles.
over there.
Yeah.
And then there's one over there.
There's 2 more right there.
Yeah, I know.
And there's 1 more over there.
There's no alligators.
Wait, Alex, you have the guy right?
What? No.
There's those birds I was talking about.
Is that as far as you can get it?
Yeah, it is.
Can you tell what color beak they are?
Looks like an orange. Not sure. I'm trying to.
Great blue heron.
But they don't have a little like icing sticking out.
Did we see it from here? If they did, and are they all the same bird?
There we go.
They are.
Probably because birds of the feather flock together.
And then.
Where's Alex?
There's another turtle.
Alex?
2 other turtles.
Where's Alex at?
Oh, just look at that. I think. There's a lizard.
Or it's blended in.
I see it. See it, Brenda? What? Come right over here.
So we are right here right now. And yeah, this is the map. I don't think we're gonna walk this whole trail. I wouldn't wish that upon anybody. Well, I would, but in fact, I'd probably like to run this trail or whatever, but I haven't been on it yet. But we're gonna get some walking done, I guess. We'll go on a journey. Hercules Club.
The stems were chewed to relieve toothache, so it must have some sort of a medicinal purpose value. I mean,
think we're gonna be walking down to the river, but I'm not sure. Look right there, there's a picnic table, and that means we can have picnics here. I'd want to have a picnic here. I don't know if you would, but I definitely want to have a picnic where in an area that has lots of dangerous wildlife. We're walking down to the waterfront, a waterside trail.
At least it's cooler back here.
Yeah. Butterfly. Now it's looking really nice back here. What? Yeah, there's a butterfly up there if you can't see it. There's another picnic table. Now this is definitely a picnicking area, so you guys should definitely come out here. And I really do mean you should come out here. It's actually pretty nice here. Well, the river should be straight ahead.
So I think if we
Yep.
yeah. Yeah, it's right here. Apparently there's a picnic area here and everything too.
Oh, this would be a nice spot. Oh my gosh, we're now there's waves. So there's a saltwater pond over here. It's a good place for a gator nest. Yeah? Hold on, I'll be there in a minute. Yeah, you gotta be careful around here because this is a good place for an alligator to be. You know, I may like alligators, but
Gators or pythons?
Yeah, pythons are a problem in Florida.
They are.
But not in this part. It's more South Florida.
Yeah.
so we're on our way down to Flagler once again to get some more fish for dinner. And you know it's gonna be very fishy. Hey, do you think we could go down and see those sea turtle nests or?
I'll just drive a little further south and see.
I mean, it's not really anything to see.
It's just an area that's roped off. The sea turtles they rope them off so that people don't.
Yeah, but they're still at risk of having seagulls.
Well, yeah, there's still other things, but as long as people are involved in nature, they'll let nature do what it does.
Oh,
It's weird to protect them and then become overpopulated.
oh yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna get fish. I don't know if we're doing any more bird watching after that, but we might see some birds while we're down there. Who knows?
Big.
Now we're in Flagler. Positive I got it right this time and we're not in Beverly Beach. So they look rather busy today at this seafood market. And I'm already starting to feel the smell of fish.
Well, then can I go in the 7-Eleven?
That giant fish they caught. Or whatever.
Come down here.
Hey guys,
It's Beverly
this is
Beach
where
right there.
we are.
On Beverly Beach
We're
now.
on Beverly Beach. It's interesting though.
those are like those weird igloo type houses that like were popular in Denver.
Still like right across the
You should build a sand house.
That's actually Little Antarctica.
Hey guys, in a minute we're gonna go on a beach walk, and I don't know if I'm gonna take the camera with me, but if I do, I probably won't be walking anywhere near the ocean. Okay, so we might be rethinking the beach walk because this. Really, look at that. That's. See that blinking light? I wonder what that is. It's probably a cell phone tower. Yeah, that's pretty bad, but look out there. It's still decently clear. Of course, saying that, I don't think it's gonna stay clear for long. Shame, I was also thinking about seeing if we could go to the public pool tonight, but I'm not sure. Look at this out here. Look at how the storm is rolling in. It's rolling in like a sci-fi movie. Oh, and it started to rain already. Well, you can't tell, but... Yep, we're even getting wind right now. This is unreal.
There it goes. Look, there's the rain.
So we're about to go for a beach walk, but I'm not taking the camera with me because of the weather. So, yeah. Alright guys, I have something you guys just have to see. I mean, you won't be able to see it as well from here, but look at that sunset. Doesn't that look amazing? Also, I don't think you'd be able to see it from here also. But there was a rainbow, or there probably still is. It was out there when we were on our beach walk. And yeah, by the way, I'm back from my beach walk. So, yeah, I don't think we're gonna do anything else tonight, but who knows. Well guys, it's time to end yet another vlog. So I'm gonna cut it short this time, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.